So after upgrading to Windows 11, I started having this weird issue that I thought was related to NVIDIA graphics drivers, to where whenever I would launch OBS, like at certain times, both my monitors would flicker black, and I would just having all these real strange stuttering issues and all kinds of odd stuff. And I finally found what was causing it for me, so I just want to make a little video to walk people through something to be sure to look at. So first thing we're going to do, in Windows 11, you can right click the start menu and you'll have all these little shortcuts right here. It's really quick to get to wherever you need to go. So right click, go to settings. What we want to go to from here is display on the right. After we go to display, we're going to scroll down to graphics. Click on graphics. And I'm just showing you the step by step how to get there. Change the default graphic settings at the very top. This tiny little link right here. You'll click that. Not the best interface. Now, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now that was supposed to be this magic ability to balance the need of your GPUs. This is also a feature in Windows 10. So if you're having this issue in Windows 10 by chance, I never had an issue with it, but you can feel free. This should still be here in a similar comparable section on Windows 10 as well. It's just something else to play with. Mine was on by default, so I turned that off. It'll say, hey, you need to restart. Restarted my computer, and so far, ever since I've done that, the issue went away. I haven't had any trouble. It's like OBS was having trouble fighting with Windows, trying to balance GPU stuff as well. For the record, I am using an NVIDIA GPU, but I presume if you have an AMD GPU and you're having like a random monitor completely blacking out issue, that's certainly something to play with. One other thing we can look at, just in case, we can go to your NVIDIA settings in NVIDIA control panel. Once that loads, we can go to manage 3D settings. Scroll down, and under power management mode, be sure to change that to prefer maximum performance. Mine also defaulted to normal, so I changed that. I've also heard and read several people claim that that could also cause this issue. If you want to catch me on Twitch and talk about anything, I stream basically every day. My schedule's on Twitch. You can always go to classiccaleb.pro for all my other contacts and ways to hang out. Thanks.